Very cheap alcohol. Oh, we could do a Costco stream. Wow, so sorry about that. Panda. Sorry. I messaged you? That must have been a long time ago. Sorry, guys. Coke Zero makes me burp a shit ton. In case you didn't notice. I am going to burp so much today.
Hey, I've been a part.
Time to play a song. What do I say? More si te cabe. That one went up my nose. It burned. No. Yeah, I will. I'm gonna burp my. Do you know how to burp yourself? Thank you for subbing. Sorry. Consoles so you can play with us. I'm like in a. I'm okay. Hello.
You know the rules, though. Don't get too close.
You hear that? Sorry. Las manzanas. There you go.
Best things. That's where I cross the line. Thank you so much. Mine too.